be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with day number 3 of LeBron week. And I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. Alright? Now, this is actually the first one that I ordered of the 3, but it's the last one that got here. Okay? So, as you can see in the background here, this is the only one of this shoe that I've had. This is the Nike Lebron 2. Were these the Zoom Generation 2? I can't remember. But either way, these are the Nike Lebron 2. Alright? And the All-Star Game colorway. This is the only one that I've ever had. Never had the black and red. Never went for any other ones. I don't think there were very many others. But this is the only one that I ever had. Alright? These are very dope. But that brings us to today. Alright? And boom. There it is. Because you all know, Big Roth, proud member of the Bron gang. Alright? Now, these are, as you can see, LeBron, and then the logo here. How is it? It's upside down. It's right there. You see the logo there? Alright? These are my question has been answered. The Zoom LeBron 2 colorway white metallic gold. Okay? And size 14. And these bad boys right here. Alright? Now, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Had to cop these, man. Had to cop these. And for those wondering, this is, if I didn't say so already, this is the final shoe of LeBron week. Alright, there's no more coming right now. So, this is it. Alright? Let's go ahead and get into the... let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Go ahead and slide that out. And go ahead. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Dope. Very nice. Very nice. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. This colorway reminds me of, I want to say it's the Chinese New Year LeBron 7s, 8s, 7s. But that's what this colorway reminds me of. So these are the Nike Zoom LeBron 2 Maccabi, okay? So LeBron wore these in an exhibition game back in 2004, back when I was 18, 19 years old, which means LeBron was as well. And they were never to be seen ever again after that point. Alright, very nice touches on the laces. It says King James. All right, King here and James there. All right, as you can see, big Nike logo there. You got the Lebron logo there, and also on the other side of the strap, okay, LeBron on the back. Is that the same here? Yep, LeBron on the back. And then we also have LeBron right here on the side. All right, leather everywhere that there's white. It's a little bit softer on the front than it is going around on the back. The strap is actually pretty soft leather, but everywhere else is a little stiffer. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a little stiffer. All right, look at the bottoms. Ooh, fresh shoe smell. Fresh shoe smell. Nice gold hits going around there. You got James there on the bottom, and then you got your Zoom here. You know, one thing about these, you ain't gonna have to worry about them yellowing because they're already that color. On the bottom, Nike swoosh there, another Nike swoosh there. All right, and another one here. All right, let's undo the strap. Gold right there to hold the strap in. All right, take that out. Anything on the back? Nope, nothing on the back. And if you would like to, you can take the strap off. All right, it does come off if you want to. Boom, you can take it right here. You can slide it right out. I'm not going to right now. I may at a later point, because sometimes the straps just get in the way, but you can remove them. They are removable straps, but then you just leave the hooks there. Both of those two hooks will still be there if you take the strap off. So on the inside here, LeBron logo there. And then on the other side, Lion King. All right, the Lion King logo. All right, let's go ahead and unlace those. I like the laces. I like the way that the laces are on these. Very nice. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. All right, and then on the back, there's nothing. Nike swoosh on the tongue, which is kind of weird that there wasn't a LeBron signature or a LBJ or nothing on the tongue there. On the inside, let me remove the sizing sticker there. But on the inside, you have gold insole with LeBron in a Nike swoosh. Very thick around the collar area here where your heels and your ankles and everything are going to be. That's very thick cushion there. So yeah, you hooping these, you're going to be nice and secure in there. All right, lace these bad boys up. It'll be nice and cushioned in there. No other hidden gems in here like on the LeBron 20s, but still very nice, man. Still a very nice shoe. LeBron's whole wearing shoes to hoop in thing started earlier, but with the twos, I've worn these casually. I have thrown on, some shorts or some sweats or something and just wore them out without just wearing them to go hoop. So I do think you can get away with wearing twos casually, but they are definitely basketball shoes though, for sure. For sure. Now let's go ahead and check out the right boy to see if there's anything different. All right. Go ahead and pull that out. right shoe. Second. And on the right boy. On the right boy. Wow, I actually thought on the back that it would say James. And I thought here it would say James. Or on the side there where it says LeBron. But it's LeBron on both. I didn't mention that on the inside of the shoe there, it does say Zoom on the air unit there. I did not mention the air unit nor the fact that it says Zoom going around the air unit. Is there any difference other than the swoosh on the tongue there? I mean the strap. There's a swoosh there instead of the Nike logo. So Nike on this one, on the left one, swoosh on the right. Anything different? Nothing on the tongue? Yep, the same differences. They switched it up. So on the left shoe, on the tongue, you have the swoosh. But on the right, you have, hold on, let me undo it. On the right, you have the Nike. If you all can see that, I know it's white. But you have Nike on the tongue there. But that's pretty much the differences. On the bottom, it says King here. So we put them together. It's King James. All right. But that's pretty much the difference. Those are pretty much the differences between the shoes. There's nothing. I just knew that was gonna say James on the back here, since this one says LeBron. I figured it'd be LeBron James on the shows what I know. But you know what we gotta do now? Get the right boy out of here. You know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet. All right, boom. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Now, for size reference, man, these are tricky. I'm not going to lie to you guys. These are a little tricky to me because I don't feel like if I went down to a 13, they would be comfortable because they would probably be a little snug on the toes. Like, I feel like the width of this 14 is right, but I feel like with the length, my toe, for reference, is right here. All right, the tip of my toe is right there. So, once again, this is a case of where I wish I could get a 13 and a half, and that would be the perfect fit. But since I can't, I have to go up half a size. So, if you're in the same case as me, if you can't get that half size, go up a half size. I wouldn't say go down. I feel like that might be a little snug, unless you like that fit. That's my recommendation. But yeah, either way, still nice. Still nice. Just wish I could get a 13 and a half. I wish that was the size that was readily available all the time, but it's not. It's not. Well, let's go ahead and get a little bit of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Man, these are very dope. These are very dope. Now, I do want to make a quick comparison, if I may. If I may. Which twos do you all like better? Huh? Which twos between the goats do you all like better? The LeBron 2 or the Jordan 2? Now, I've already done a video about this, and I'll leave the playlist at the end of the video. A lot of people sleep on these. A lot of people sleep on the Jordan 2s. But do you like them better than the LeBron 2s Or do you just think these are trash and you would rather have the LeBron 2s? My answer has already been decided. It is in the video. It's well documented which one I prefer between the two of these. But I just want to see what you guys think. What do you guys think between those two shoes? Very, convenient that I happen to have a similar colorway, right? But yeah, man, these aren't selling out. These aren't selling out. The LeBron 20s sold out. But these are not sold out. Just like these are not sold out. So, as far as I can tell, if you want these, you can find these on Oneness Boutique, which is where I got these. Oneness Boutique. They're available on Nike.com. They're just about available anywhere for retail. You might even be able to hold out for a little bit and get them for below retail. So if you're interested in these, I would look out for them. I haven't seen sizes dropping, so I would recommend them. I think they're comfortable. I think they would be even better on the court because as I tried to take these off, I tried to do the quick slip off without actually unlacing and, unstrapping everything. Nah. No. Your foot's going nowhere. Your foot's locked in. Your heel is locked in to the bottom here. So if you're looking for that when you go hoop, get you these because your foot and your ankles are going to be well protected for sure. But anyway, man, that's going to do it for these, and that is going to close out LeBron week. All right. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.